Nababaw kabalan, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Delightful Homes. So it's an alternative for you guys looking for a quick stay if you're outside from Pampanga or Angeles and you have appointment dito po sa probinsya namin. You can have this as well as your option, no? For as low as 1,999 pesos as of recording this vlog. Naka-promo po sila. So you wanna check this out? I wanna show you amazing things about this place. So samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Now, let's take a look at the simple and essential features ng bahay na to. So, of course, you have your air conditioning. Ayan, the entire place is actually air conditioned. You have this Mediterranean or tropical sofa chairs. Look at that. And then you have your dining area here. Good enough for 8 persons. And look at the mural. So this is actually inspired sa Guam. Parang waterfront na resort. Opposite of the entrance door is this kitchen. So you have your sink. It has a stove. Meron din siyang rice cooker. Now on this side, you have your refrigerator. Good enough to, cool your drinks, your beverages. Let's open this one. Okay. More drinks. Now, dito sa left side naman ng kitchen is toilet and bath. So, this is actually complete. Ayan, if you notice. It has shower, it has sink, it has water closet, and your toilet bowl. Okay, let's go upstairs. Yung second floor natin has 2 bedrooms. It has 3 beds. Ayan. So let's go first to this room right here and look at the mural. Grabe, ang ganda ng mural natin, di ba? And this is the bedroom number 2. Now, what I like about this room is, eto, pakita ko sa inyo. It has a bathtub. Look at the bathtub, di ba? Imagine yourself right after a really long meeting. You get to enjoy this bathtub right here para ma-relax ka naman. This is the bathroom for this bedroom. Again, complete po siya for the faucet and wash area. You also have a toilet bowl and your water closet. Right, so that was it, guys. Before I let you go, let me just read some information or some house rules dito po sa Delightful Home. So, no parties, no smoking inside the unit, no visitor because we have a maximum of 5 guests po na pwedeng magstay po dito. No pets, and only registered guests are only allowed inside this house. There's a damage caused by you po, you got to pay it. Now, yung address naman nito is located sa Lot 52, Block 91, Camelia Street, Deca Homes, Angeles City. Now, if you want to know more about this, make sure to check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this post. So it's another place for you to stay if you are visiting Pampanga or Angeles City. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.